Ok các bạn ơi, ngoài kia tuyết rơi đầy thấy không? Đó, trắng xóa. Về nó khó thấy ha. Về thấy nè. Ok, giờ là mấy. Không biết tại sao nó blue á, hôm nay thấy blue rất ta. Here, Minnesota today, March 15, 2021. Okay, look at this. There's about 1.5 to 2 inches of snow already. Yep, 1.5 to 2 inches of snow here. My apartment, okay, có hai cái cây thông nè, see, đẹp chưa? This is let me take a picture. Let me take sideways picture. More, both hai cây thông vô đó luôn. Okay, so moo meat. Okay, meat moo. This is how Minnesota is. Yesterday it was 70 degrees, right? And the day before it was 75 degrees. And today it's all white. This is unbelievable Minnesota weather, right? Look at this. The garages over there. The townhouses across over there. Ooh. Zero tracks of snow. My daughter just took some picture. Đi ngược về hướng snow vậy á. Go against the snow, it's blowing right into your eyes. Look how beady my eyes are. I can't because I have to close them, otherwise the snow will get in the eyes. You can't see, right? Look at. Woo. See? The branches are still, no leaves come out yet. See, no leaves come out yet. It's still spring and winter, but now it's winter again. It's only March 15th. Sometimes we get 2 snows in the April month. See? This is not basketball, but still, it's March Madness, right? March Madness. Okay, look at this. This is very beautiful. So far away you can't see it, but I'm gonna get close and I'll show you. Cái cây này nó đẹp lắm này. Cây này nó bông tuyết không à. Cái này lá ban ngày nó tùm hết không? Mùa hè với mùa xuân nó tùm, giờ nó it doesn't show very well. Oh, I can't see. But as you can see right there, snow become the leaves of it. Woo. I'm right against the wall, so I just want to commemorate this time of year. Next year will be no more, right?